yɛbɛka wow na wo send a message bia on Facebook bia no o throw message ni wia for hashtag justice for Pooley eto aso hashtag justice for Pooley one fan tato ayen kan message ni mfama mo amodi kan dia ba no kwa no utim de foforo ba eti wo throw message ni wia no hashtag justice for Pooley justice now the for no throw no for now the Pooley di na to aso hashtag justice for Pooley abuja panza me champo mania bri brutal na
anything
ye won sem a ese ye de atudwa efa sa asem we hu ti nana obe prepare video na enra omukọ court abrante bi so oji phone no in the midst of sa de na asiri nyina no no ntia se ye betwa obi video obeji phone no sa video no man na ho ma me ma George Akufu dampare ekopie Pooley yes na busua fie ne ma me fie ne yere fie no enda ho ma me na yenya adwuma busa panyi me wasam pa mani abrepa serious
Pepe Suarez
Asante Kotoko IMC they must demand from the IGP so they don't want the case to be heard in Sunyane they should transfer the case to Accra
na me bisa question we
obia ya no in connection with Sasem we bia and sasa asam no ya transfer Sunyane
what kind of bisa asem we ofia
and this thing is present on adiana si anra court no me ba ma nsama busapanyi me na se say nsama metie no e o masomo me na now I can tell George Akufu dampare say his handling of this issue ebetimi dia asumdua ba na say eternally there will be a problem that nobody can solve in this country
sure
and I play me a video to Pepe Suarez channel on YouTube no so and I'm say we will launch a fund for Pooley and Manon kasafidie we so na egusu di nkomo minwie ye no
okay
ma me mfa nto dwa se awia yi obi okohwe video no bi o wa amana ne afrem se ono person adapt Pooley man ba ko
wow
no hwa akwada no ko isa akwada no ebebro the age of 18
wow nyame nsia no
enti we will launch it here we will do collection for the kids and the wife specifically but me no ka say an aficionado and a friend of this show I say or you willing say or adapting kodane bako
wow
no hwa kodane ko isa kodane e be drew 18 years and
sa adwen we nti
abujapanyi
erade mfamfie mi nka wo mfie ho no nsi ade bia do nsa besum no enye nsi adwen we ya wanya ma Pooley ba ne nti opanyin nyamisha
Asante Kotoko management nana apenkra kosi ewua Monfred George Akufu dampare nkanche se case ni nsa se di sunyan because so mo decide to be case ni sunyan the next sitting date call sitting day 17th e bia de e see wo park no suru sua tie me pikin fo na me be ma wo ansa nra no na Kotoko busu ko no bebrebe no mo nim se case be court nra
yes
but court has said date 17th you must hear case no and on the 17th I can tell you people will mass up there and they will go prepared. They will go there prepared for any eventuality because as somebody say when ni semua
ye ni nyawo
ye di jawo just on say dem nso mo do mo say koto aduane ni mu
okay
omo mfo mo ni nsam omo do mo sabe tumbi say be ye ni mfanya wo but 17th of February date in the air communicated ye nyina ye nim
obi anim
and I know people at least 3 buses load of people
wow
from Asawase say Pooley unza ne maame mote ya brother Asawase ho
yeah
eba abuabu akotia line for no be ko Kotoko supporters bi a omo sunwan ebe court wo pa na nsem huna eno abrante na ono ya free court ba Centroni phone people like this we 17th if they should come to the court I am telling them here and me say same way me catch George Akufu dampare any post for say case na ba yo munyin free sunyan emfa nkonkran
because say we national
the people they will pick up they should send them to Accra because the mema tire na me catch na abuzapanyi unim say Sunday na nyumre
yes
ebesi Monday na no pa no and can go for the 3 buses call nsuatere kuru mo so mo ko chenkofo aba they were stopped by 2 influential people in the society
wow
and they were going to announce say e ba ho nipa ni abrepa obuzapanyi hwɛ me sesa nka ntɔkwa si yɛ ɛne obi twe sika de wɔ pole yam ɛne yɛsɛ ntɔkwa si supporters ko obi astab obi a we could understand to some extent.
Yes.
Ntɔkwa bia nsi me ba bɛyɛ foreign news na kyerɛ wo Inter Miami for game bi mmeranteɛ goalkeeper ne akwa baako atia gyina bɔnta atwadeɛ pipa mu wie yɛ no record asɛm yɛnku obi a yɛnwo obi asekan.
Yes.
Enti sɛ ntɔkwa nsi yɛ na o plan to eliminate somebody me see adeɛ wɔ ɛyɛ planned assassination. Nipa bi bɔ mudiri mpɔsɛ me see bɔɔl aduru park no ewuram na baasi ni wuram kakyɛ sɛ o ma biem ɔmo de wobɛkɔ kuma sɛ yɛwu funu
ni yɛde bɛfiri ampa wɔn aku no
sɛ nyɛ mpanyinfoɔ mmienu bi anka nnura no 3 buses load of guys a wɔn ni abere.
Wow.
And they were going to announce say yeah ban swatre kromo they will tell we are coming there and we are coming for those guys because obinim the horse kind so we'll come and get them but ya juju nipa akoma say baby a post for na say the omosia so ase munya motre.
Yes.
And nuntinam say busopani we show trim say sir unfortunate demise of Pooley. Why do you say Ghana the assembly chepa 2 weeks omba kasa chepa 2 weeks there no we jemu na kwada to there for the optics yemfa camera ne de akire as ye ni abre as ye twetwa mfonyini as ye if you think that is how this case will end unipa kon udi agro because what is ade ba to ye nyina ye nim no you can't handle it.
Yeah.
You can't because wa e kasa kire Habib nom me kasa kyerɛ adongo nom me kasa kyerɛ baba nom sɛ ɔmo ma makoma na mra kɔtɔ supporters na ɔmo gyina hɔ a yɛde sekan wɔ ɔmo nua no baabi ɔmo akoma ne gyina sɛsɛ na busa banyi sɛ woyɛ panyini no ɔmfa ne sɛ Ghana asɛm deɛ saa ɛte sɛ abayi apɔnkyentɔkwa ɛpagya kɔ soro saa na aba fam na ehuru bɛdwo ɔmo wɔ ba bi bɛhunu bi na ɔmo bubu ehuru adwo ampa bɛdwo wadwere bɔ asa adwo bataseɛ ne dere na wanhwɛ yɛ adeɛ wobɛte no ɛnyɛ me wɔn sɛ nsuatama players na ka kyerɛ panyini no sɛ bɔɔl no deɛ yɛyɛ ma o fa ne sɛ nsu sɛ mayɛ bɛsene akɔ ebia nkran baabi nti ɔmo twam fa so ame na ɔma wo mu afa kurofuro airport runabout sɛ ɔma fa aboabo na asoase ne aboabo no emu ntam ne te sɛ enti we panyina mfa no saa nkɔfɔ no mte gye fo no munye serious a ɔmadwom sɛ yɛ bɔ ball ɛsɛ yɛ bɔ ball hwɛ division 1 no mse yɛ mo no ɛhɔ pa ne yɛ bu nipa barbia nwi etiketokre ku no wɔnyɛ serious yɛ kasa yi wɔ pɛka executive council wɔ ma koro yi mu ɛma mɛkyia busua no mfa no ɔpɛ sɛ yi na CAF executive council member ɛno wɔpere wɔnyɛ serious. We have a problem in our game and some problem no Premier League ɛyɛ worse in division 1 answer obi anwo division 1 to ase yɛ because yɛnku obiara in any serious jurisdiction baabi ɔmo ani abere yɛ nipa ade nyansa nimdeɛ ɛyɛ adwuma no eduru sɛ ya we stop everything. Stop me say ɛyɛ worse in division 1 wonim sɛ I say no am catch sɛ sɛ nyɛ sɛ unfortunately yɛnua Pooley afiri mu a ɛna yɛ borɔ ase yɛ stabbing about the hospital wonim sɛ ka ɛbɛbɔbɔ ne si
nkahwe yinsi
sɛ nkɛde sika wɔ ne yam na ɔda hospital ne yɛhwɛ no wɔ kuma ayi kufuɔ emergency maame mɔm sɛ kufuɔ emergency ɛna ɔda kufuɔ emergency ne yɛhwɛ anɔpɛ yɛ ano nsuo kɔ ne yɛka koko na anwummerɛ yɛakɔtɔ kamfa ne yɛyɛ nkwan doctors ne sɛ wodi nom nkwan ne yɛde kɔ a ɛnka yɛbɛbɔ league Sunday kɔ ɔbɛka sɛ yɛwɔbɔ Sunday because obi amfirim ɛnti obi amfirim wɔ division 1 nkyi no ɛfɛ no ne ɔmo executive council ɔmofa ne sɛ ɛhɔ problem ni hɔ asɛm ne deɛ wɔ premier asɛm no kura premier ano lawyer bi na nkɔfɔ no nkɔ ti law school no wie deɛ yɛsua no sɛ akɔa bi na yɛnyina nim sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer wakɔ sɔre ado afɛ sɛ wɔboa nti later no kyee no ɛne yɛbɛte borɔfo ayi quack doctor ne quack lawyer akɔa di ɔyɛ interview deɛ sɛ ɔyɛ quack ɔse kɔtɔkɔnɛ se suspended no ho afiri all footballing activities a ɛsɛ yɛbɔ na wafrɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmɛbɔ ma ɔma ama na wate ɔmo na ɔtaa ne abɔ yɛ league ne awie lawyer akasa abusapanyi I am sounding this caution said deɛ mema te no what me nan asi soɔ ne deɛ afa ma so mu no sɛ obi nim no ɔse obe sweep this case under the carpet because Ghana ni there. Ghana ni suffer from refie and China ni refi. Ghana ni there oh almost say ya wura huni nya bi enom. No nya kwa ya abaya bi de ne ko shedem na de chia na ni refi problems ni nyina. Opanyini na adwene wa adwene ho. Se odwene sa adwene ni bi wo pola ase wo a rewrite your nose because what hwe yi asema besi no. Eba gye wo nsam. It is taking people to restrain them.
Wow.
It is taking people to restrain them. My information Sunday evening. Bra case no yenya confirmation nipa ho po ana yentimi nkase yentimi nya adwuma no. The calls kept coming. When some people organize boys from Sunyane.
Yeah.
To storm Nsoatrem.
Yeah.
Some of the board members of Nsoatrem had to flee the town.
Yeah.
Sunday evening. They flew the town. Knowing potential reprisal attacks that could happen. They mabiem.
Na we yeah.
I mean guys, it's some nye mo amko planning nyam na mo ka che mitimi ka. Ya na ye mo but ebe mo a.
Ige na tu.
Unim say asem si krom ne ese mema ba krom pe na mranche na to nwuram. Na obi edwane.
Yes.
Contingent rank omo ko Sunday anwumere be si Monday anopa no. Omo nkomo ko hyase afiri nwuram. Ti wa wu dwane ba nwuram bia chese
no kra de be so omo first.
Omo nkomo ko hyase afiri nwuram ho. Nwuram ho no mo chema ma na ba. And they were going to bring people. We are going to bring them to Kumasi. Ye ko so mema mu de omaba.
Wow.
No mo se sabe. Den tokwa ne ba na say ye to adan ko si adan. Omo ka chese ntokwa kun ne ba. Enke be si omo pa ke ba ntokwa pa. Ba ye nimsi ye ko bo football abavie. Obi enu ne senti to okokon tokwa. Obi enu ne senti say ye Fred yo de onim se kan wo no de owa a wonti. I'm speaking with a lot of emotions. Me say George Akufu down to the IGP. Omodia said dia go yan the normal Ghanaian situation. The normal case na court ba kum yenu me say afre we say na for adwini free so okay yedu age ya no wadu ma adwa won. Ya police no. Yeah. First day na first court case. Bu say ayi nipa the entire boys or niggas or dum nyina akoye. The second sitting na so te. Guy be case ubusa say madwa case near friend that baby go di pankai. So obi adwene ne say san natural way na issue a die organ. This death of Pooley ever dies say nipa kono. He's joking. He's dreaming. He's on a dreaming land. Nipa kono that swimming pool mu and what Bobby a mienu. And what that yaso na ni tiri hwiem za. And they be a girl on the pool. You are just imagining things. Says, I know you ma. You free with him because I say, we any breast up. And I'm saying, as on an up and come, I catch George Akufu down parade the IGP. So, penny case in the crown because some of sorry, wait, Nipa found we have the penny. The Biam catch on maybe some catch us a match. Didn't tell me, Jay, I wear matches in a corner. I told the guys, Abema, say, yes, sir. My papa, and what do you say? BBC or you come from Basoswa. I can dare you so the old meaning you're quite after 5 minutes. They will come and pick your body. You come on your bema. It's all on your bema. I quite I am a furniture cup to I'm going to call police station. Said, yeah, Quaniano, Minkuni Pada, but as well, or didn't know by Pepe Suarez. But oh, sir, Ebias Aquia was a cable police, and yes, I had Chroma. And Uncle Polish was Bema to Bema, every one man. Gay, no more yard, no Yakofania, one who could have body will be trim. Say yes, sir. And we must get to a situation where people will feel safe. Say, I don't need to be an indigent of Kumasi and Sesame Free Asukwa and Sesame Free Makom and Sesame for me and Sana Metro Rabba Hebo. Ah, Mr. Nan, what Babara, Dana, what Hobo, a year more deno, Karela last game, none wide. Karela for Nipa 5 months go. Obianyo mo hwe opa ko brekum na brekum as a Chelsea bobo no obi away team no more short na team go obi wasum se ho bo firi adentina utimi yes I won cry but utimi yes I wo kuma say why adentina how the anya possible I am saying it me say wa adwene ya wo say Nana Pooley ewo ya wawi unfortunate ade we ay preventable BBNC ay se mani pafrim but why do you say oh where the normal she see e ti anya ne kakra omuru ebefi oh e ti ani momo ya nkrofo omuru ebefi enti omuru efi na asem no na da foolish case so why do you know forget it because we are what we don't want to see, what we don't want to imagine. The death toll will begin to grow past what you don't want to imagine. And I'm saying this on authority. Meaning the America. But see, I'm say TV3 reporter now. Oh, channel. Because the case was held at Sunyane, which is 15 minutes drive away from Nsuatre. Until they mass themselves up from Nsuatre. And on mobile. Se case no one kaya na kwa o kon kaya ntimi nya sa dem so jan kana TV3 TV3 reporter GH1 whatever obi de ne camera twana akwa ko try say e wo but onim say na so ye diem and abuja panyi make catch o say the next court sitting no yes they should expect numbers because emran chana some say when ni sem e digao but them dia ye ninyao now if they go there and then the judge now who dia some no the level of anger now ube who's asem say odi ni because enya de keto bi ne de abrao. This is what I have picked up, and being a very good citizen I am sounding this note of caution to people who are thinking wenya hey abi esida oh we say sa omuru befi cha Ghana for there sa omuru befi sa say mo de nipa wura fi akwa mo omuru enfi. We will sit here and remember people every day.
We remind them always
to the Ghana Football Association who are saying Nkobo Division 1.
I almost in Tokwa in Division 1. Division 2, Division 3.
They are inept.
In Tokwa BNC.
They are inept. They are ball. Now I say the worst form of hooliganism happened in Division 1. And until I get to Krekure na Esko say yentimi more Division 1 Zone 1. Ya in Zone 1A Zone 1B because the Zone 1 now those teams in the 3 northern regions ever any of the bro and I have regions. Who say in football we still use the 10 regions. Yeah. I'm using the 10 regions. What travel ba a chaotic ntokwa ye kun nipa kumasam e tie ntimi momom. But this one say we been chase kan wo pole bi yam wo Division 1 to say nkobo ball no. Meanwhile the worst forms of hooliganism in our game happen with Division 1. Sure. This is the fate that we have. So almost we move frame meeting ka ba na nkomo na yemmo here man me say catch that one nam o ya campaign see and to abama as Akoma
branch with the message by
Facebook e won achi no o my
on commenting about we say nkofo ha
e oba but odam o ya campaign o ko pick up executive council member ya to abama no we wish him well we panyi no cause me say me dey asem na me tia maka kire o etu owura George Akufo Dampare IGP one transfer case we free sunya because how case case we 17th dey did sunya wa they are men, they are boys, they are guys who will travel from Kumasi, expect no less than 3 buses. They will be there. No more not quite. As an say, so be a video. You may have to set another team up to be investigating that one too. We don't want to get there. Yatia seven. Ya the one seven.
Pepe, Pepe, Eti Ekomu, Ekoni be in the way I was sweating.